So in this video, I wanted to go ahead and throw these $60 replica sneakers on feet and let you guys know what I think. What's going on, guys? Hess here from CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description. So I wanted to show you guys these on feet and give you guys my feedback at the end of the video on what I think. So one of the ones that I'm going to wear is going to be the authentic pair. The other is going to be the replica, and you can kind of see them on feet and get an idea of which one is real or fake. Leave a comment if you guys want to guess which is real or fake. But let's go ahead and show you guys what these look like on feet. All right, so now that you guys have seen these things on feet, I'll give you guys my 2 cents on the shoe. I think that these are $60 replicas and they mimic what Boost is. It's definitely not real Boost on the bottom. It's definitely kind of like a cheaper sort of composite of materials. Definitely the upper is made a little bit cheaper as well. This is definitely not a one-for-one to the original product. One thing that I'll note from the beginning is the authentic ones fit more snug across the toe box section right here. These ones definitely fit a lot looser. As far as the cushioning on these, you really can't feel the fake Boost. It's not responsive at all. It feels honestly like you're running a little bit flat when you're walking in these. Has a feeling of cheap shoe, I have to say, and this, it reminds me a lot of this on feet. So if you have tried these are super light, has that crazy crappy foam on it, and this is kind of what this reminds me of. Although it looks more like Boost, it feels more like this, and it's lightweight and not durable and feels like it's going to fall apart. And that's kind of the overall vibe that I got from these. So for 60 bucks, you probably get $60 worth out of the shoe, but it definitely doesn't mimic the comfort of the Adidas Boost material in this. I will admit that the Yeezy Boost 350, you don't feel the Boost as much as something like the Ultra Boost or the Ultra Boost ST, but you do feel somewhat some of the Boost, and this one just feels like a flat tire. So that is just my 2 cents on this. It's just the way it goes when you end up buying a replica product, and this is, again, the reason why this is a replica. It's not true to the original form because it's made to mimic the authentic thing, but that doesn't mean you're getting the technology benefits from the shoe. If you guys want to see a similar video to this, but with the expensive version of the Yeezy Boost, leave a comment and hit the thumbs up button and let me know you guys want to see that video, and I will work on posting that one soon. Thank you guys for watching the video, though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you guys for some more sneaker videos soon. Peace, guys.